Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC on this 2006 Dodge Durango. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So the first thing we're going to do is start our vehicle. And we're going to turn our temperature setting all the way to the coldest setting. Turn the AC on. And then turn the fan speed all the way up on the highest setting. Now we are going to pop our hood. Now our low pressure AC port is right here, so we're going to unscrew this cap, set it someplace safe. Then we're going to take our recharge hose, and it's simply just going to push on here and you'll hear it kind of click, just like that. Now this is actually doing exactly what we want it to do right now. You just want the the pressure to stay right at the top of the green gauge right there. It's a little bit high right now, but and you want to make sure that your AC compressor is spinning right there. So you see the outside edge where my finger is spinning just like it should. So we should be making compression inside the system there. If you're really low, then this needle will be down here in the low area. And to fill it, you are just going to squeeze the trigger and then oscillate your can between 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock every few seconds. I'm not actually adding any to the system right now because it's already pretty high, but this is what you would do if it was low. So squeeze your trigger, oscillate your can. And with this particular unit, when you squeeze the trigger, the needle goes to 0 like that. But as you start filling it up, the compressor should kick on and your needle will drop down, your compressor will kick off, and the needle will pop back up, and it'll keep doing that, and you want it to stay steadily on. And so eventually it'll stay up here in the green and just stay there, and then you want to fill it up until the needle's up here about between 40 and 50 psi there. So that's pretty much all there is to it. To take this thing off right here, you're just going to lift up on this fitting right here, right there, and it'll pop right up and off. Then you can put your cap back on and enjoy your nice cold AC. I'm going to have Amazon affiliate links down in the description where you can get R31A refrigerant, which is what this system takes, and a recharge hose. There will be a whole kit and everything down there if you want to get it on Amazon. But if this video was helpful to you, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.